Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Septian. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new pair of true wireless earbuds from SoundPeats. They're called the SoundPeats Mini. I'm assuming they're called that because the earbuds, they look like a dot style. They're not like a semi-in-ear or what people like to call AirPods alternative with the stem. So I'm going to take the plastic off here. Put that to the side, slide that out. Let's see. Now, there we go. All right, here we go. So we're inside the box. On top, we got the user manual. They usually put that underneath everything. I'll take off this foam. Oh, wow, yeah. These are appropriately named, Mini. Let me see. Oh, we got the earbuds inside. It's a weird design choice, but okay. I guess they'll look better once they're in your ears. Hopefully there's some juice on these. Okay, on the back, we got USB Type-C charging, so we got quick charge. Let me see if they have wireless charging. I don't think so. Let me just see. Nope, no wireless charging. Oh well, that's fine. Let's see, they ain't got nothing underneath that. All right, in the little box, I already know what's inside here. Okay, that's it. All right, cool. They're starting to save some space now. Usually they put the charging cables separate, but we got USB-A, the USB Type-C, and we got some silicone tips. Oh, that was so easy to take out of the bag. Look at that. Okay, so the small ones are a little like cone shaped. Look at that. And we got the small and we got the large. So we got the medium already on the buds themselves. Okay. Let's put all that to the side. Now let's look at the buds. These are small. Now to compare that to, let's see, the Earphone Free 2, much smaller. Look at that. Those are tiny. Very small. Let me pull out the T2s right quick. Let's see, what did I do with them? Here they go. I'll do a quick size comparison of these. So we got the SoundPeats T2 on the right, SoundPeats Mini on the left. In this case, they can stand up. Well, sort of. If I can get it, let me just balance. Nope, ain't gonna stand up, but I'm just hold it. Yeah. The T2 case is longer. The mini case is shorter. And I got the one more color buds. Put them on the back. Yeah, about the same. A little smaller than the one more color buds case. Okay, now that's all out the way. Let's look at the earbuds themselves. Oh wow, these are tiny. Wow, I got some earbuds that I need to review. These might be smaller than those. Look at these things. Wow, that's this. I've never seen some earbuds that small before. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna theorize these got maybe either a 5 or a 6 millimeter dynamic drivers inside, because that's the only size drivers that can fit in these. Okay, so look, we got some plastic on the magnetic connectors and it's stuck to my finger. Yeah, get off me. Let's see if we got some juice in the case here. Okay, yep. Now it looks like we don't have multiple LED indicator lights. We only got one. It seems like that's where the industry is going now. They're not using multiple lights, they're just using one. And I guess that's okay. All right, yeah. So green means go. Hopefully it's got at least 75 to 100% on the case. I'm gonna see if these got any juice. All right, I'm gonna open the lid back up. See if they are. Yeah, these are tiny. Okay, they got some juice. It said pairing. Yeah, they fit comfortably in my ears. They just they slide right in. These are some soft gel silicone tips. Let me take them off so you can see the whole bud. You got the LED light right here. You got some gray accents in this right here. The multi-function button. It's got that rounded shield that SoundPeats like to use. I'm looking for a mic. I don't see one, but we got the engraving on here. This is L for left. I'm looking for the mics. I don't see them. See the charger pin or connectors. Where are the microphones at? Bring me the mics. Where they at? I don't know. They must be on here somewhere. I have to look at the instructions. But overall, I'd say they look and feel nice. Hopefully they sound good. So this has been the unboxing of the new SoundPeats Mini.